Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, it's a pleasure to have you. I am Greta from Growing Brilliant Minds, and today I want to share with you 4 simple ways to reinforce or teach your child sight words. What are sight words or high frequency words? Sight words are a list of words that do not follow basic phonetic rules. They cannot be sounded out. They are words that children can identify easily without sounding them out. They can be tricky as they don't spell the same way they sound. For example, the word cat follows the phonetic rule and can be sounded out. We could say k, a, t, but the word who does not follow the phonetic rules and therefore cannot be sounded out. Sight words are vitally important for children to learn and master. They account for at least 75% of the words used in beginner readers' reading materials. They promote reading comprehension. They help children to read more fluently when they're able to recognize these words quickly. They help children to write effectively and promote reading confidence. There are different ways of helping your child to learn these words. One such way is by using games that stimulate play and fun while learning. These games are a fun, interactive way to engage your child. These games encourage children participation, engagement, promote physical, cognitive, and social skills. And you see games like Go Fish, Word Up, Hanging Out Words, Sight Word Bingo, Sight Word Upscotch. On the slide, you see there is an upscotch grid, and you can use a regular upscotch grid if you do have one at home carved out on your paved area, or you can draw a grid using chalk or crayons or markers. You can write word in each box and then have the child identify and say the word before jumping in the box, and keep adding new words as the child masters the old ones. When children participate in this game, they are not only learning words, but they are developing physically, socially, and cognitively. Physically, as they jump around, their large motor skills are developing. Socially, as they interact with peers, parents, and cognitively, as they learn new words. That enhances their vocabulary. Sight word bingo. Sight word bingo plays just like the regular bingo game. You can create your own bingo cards, or you can use cards that you already have and make your little words on paper and stick them over those numbers that are there. So you create bingo cards and you create your calling cards, and you give the child some markers, and then encourage your child to listen to the words, then identify the word on their card and place a marker on it. Like other word games, sight word bingo is an ideal way to help children develop listening skills and also to build their confidence. Word up. Similar to the upscotch, word up builds large skills, motor skills, as children up. And also, as they up from one word to the other, they are able to identify and learn new sight words, and they enjoy hopping around and do not find learning to be frustrating. So to create this word up game, you make a circle on your ground, find a smooth surface on the ground, draw shapes on it, write a word in each shape, have the child identify and say the word as they hop on the shape, and I'm sure they'll enjoy this game. Hanging out words. This is another game that can be used to teach or reinforce sight words. So you choose an area that is not cumbersome, and you tie string to create a line within the child's reach. You place basket with words, word cards, clothes pegs, or clips on the floor. You encourage a child to choose a word card, say the word, and hang it on the line using a pin or clip. Children love this game as they pretend to be hanging out clothes. While they're learning the words, their fine motor skills are developing as they grasp the pin and the clips. Also, hand-eye coordination are being developed as well. I hope this information was helpful and provided some guidance on how to assist children in mastering basic concepts and skills. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.